Good afternoon, class 10. Today, I think that uh, we take your moment chapters, moment book, and the second chapter I will take today. And the title is uh, of this chapter is The Thief's Story. The thief's story is the story of a thief because the narrator himself is a thief. He was thief, but when he met Mr. Anil, he changed himself because uh, Anil was very honest and very helpful person, and he always helps the people in this story. So, story, before going through a story, can you imagine ever this happened to you or the happened surrounding you, that someone had deceived someone, and someone had deceived someone, has uh, someone has broken someone's belief. So if you remember this story, if in surrounding you, you can relate this story with yourself also. Actually, if I summarize this story within 2 or 3 minutes, this story is about a thief. He himself called Hari Singh, and when Anil once met this thief, and they have become friend because the thief was very jobless and he was in search of job. Anil thought, let us have this person with me, and he also will be assistant of my work, and he will do work in my house and with me. When Anil asked Hari, what do you know about the work? Which job do you want to do? Hari Singh, what Hari said? Sir, I don't know any job. I only know how to cook. I know how to cook. Because the thief tells a lie before Hari Singh, because he doesn't know how to cook. So Anil thought that let's have this gentleman with me, because in my house I am alone and I don't have the person to work with me. So on this thought, on this behalf, Anil took this gentleman Hari Singh to his house with. There, Anil asked, "Do you know what you know in cooking?" Anil asked Hari, "What do you know in cooking?" So he said, "I can cook anything." This thief said that I know cooking everything. Once Hari said that, can you cook? Can you cook for me? Yes. What you can cook for me? So he said anything, but the reality was that he knows nothing in cooking. Anil works in Lucknow Express, and he earns money. And he told the story also. He told the many story that he was earlier thief. Hari Singh told him that earlier he was thief. He robbed many places. He has stolen many places. Once Anil got very much money. Anil got very much money from his office as a salary, and he kept the money under his bed. This was being observed by Hari Singh, and Hari was, very greedy person. He was thief. When night becomes, and Anil has already given Hari Singh a key of his house. One key Hari Singh has, and one Anil has. So whenever he wants to, Hari Singh wants to go outside, he could go. Whenever he go anywhere, he could go. And he knows that this thing, he knows this thing that he can go anytime, anywhere. At that night, Hari Singh stolen the money of Anil from the bed, and he ran away from that house. He went to the Lucknow station. This story setting is Lucknow, that is in UP, the state UP state of the capital of UP. So Anil Singh went to this station. The station was not so much good. It was not so much. Rarely the trains come there. And when Hari Singh was at this station, the last train also have gone. Hari Singh still doesn't have any option to run away from there. He waited whole night and was thinking where I can go. No one is there in that city of mine, so that I can spend my night with money. If I take the hotel, luxurious hotel, they will inquire me from where you have come, how much money you have. Then what I can tell them. Such kind of dilemma was running in his mind. And in this dilemma, he could not find any way, any solution to go from there. And it was dawn time, it was going to be morning, dawn time. Hari again come back to the Anil's house. He entered to the house, and it was going to be morning. He entered to the house. He kept the money at the place where the money he was stolen. And he also sleeps. And actually he doesn't sleep, but he was trying to sleep. The next morning, what happens? The next morning of that morning, what happened? Anil wake up. Anil already wakes up. Anil makes tea, having tea in his hand. And when Anil gave tea to the Hari, along with that tea, Anil also give 50 rupees to Hari Singh, and he said that he will give 50 rupees daily for his work there. So such kind of sympathy, such kind of honesty, seeing Hari realized that Anil had come to know about his misdeed, but there was no sadness. He was not sad, not angry, even not guilty feeling. But Hari Singh was feeling guilty. And this act of Anil made this gentleman Hari Singh a very respected and very honest person from that time. And that's why this story is here, because this story has given The moral of trust, morality of trust, that you should not break the trust of anyone. Trust, the belief is very a strong thing in this world. Never, never deceive someone, because someone might be very caring for you. So this is the summary, this is the story of this thief's story. On the behalf of that, we will explain the text further. But for us understanding of yourself, what about this story is, this is the summary. Thank you and have a good day.